Hello everyone and welcome to the recap of our trade ideas that we gave basically in the last couple of months. So I will cover some of the major winners and in terms of risk to reward. So all winners that you will see here that I will go through, we posted that pretty much just in the time when they happen. So the only way to be alert about fresh new trade ideas is to subscribe on YouTube channel. So let's start with one of our biggest winners in the last couple of months that is still basically on the profit and trailing is US 100. So we gave the buy trade idea. This was on November 5th. The buy trade idea was around, this was around 20,043 mark. And the stop was just around 19,863. So this was pretty much like a stop of 0.85%. And market is trading about 10.5% up since that initial trade idea. So that is everything started with this bull divergence. A fail for the market to retest the low. It was expanding flat type of consolidation correction. And we have a massive move higher and it's still moving higher. Just a normal pullbacks, RSI just holding around the 40-50 mark. So just a regular upside movement. But if you check in terms of reward, this is so far about 12 times bigger reward versus initial risk, 12 times. That's a massive winner that we gave to you basically through our FXC TV. Now the US 100, I don't see any signs for reversal, so probably we're gonna see new all-time high pretty soon, and this profit can even be bigger than 12 or 13 times bigger versus initial risk. So one of our biggest winners in the last couple of months. Now I also want to cover gold market. So we gave a sell trade idea. That was pretty much like December 12th. We gave a sell trade idea around 27.15 on the gold market with a stop just around 27.28. And if you check, so we did spot this divergence and momentum, then the medium line held pretty well and we had a sell off of the medium pitchfork trend line, as you can see here. So our idea behind was for the market at least to retest the level of 26.45, and as you can see where the gold is trading now around 26.47, this trade idea is already like 6 times bigger over initial risk. So this is a massive winner, and this happened pretty much, lately this happened like December 12th. Massive winner on the goal. So perfect location, perfect projected objective. And this deal is still basically trailing to the downside and just reacting towards the 50 mark. So we still can see even further drop. You can see that we broke actually the bigger pitchfork trend line. So we might see even a retest of those lows. So that was another mega winner, I will say. And when I say mega winner, I always think in terms of risk to reward. So if I risk, for example, dollar, just example, every trade idea that we post, usually we post the idea if there is a room for 3 to 5 times bigger reward versus initial risk. Then we have another massive winner, and that was the USD Japanese yen. We gave a couple of buy trade ideas in the last few weeks. So you can see here initial trade idea. So there was a long trade idea right from this area here around 150.51 with relatively tight stop around 150. So market basically went massive to 2.57% of the actual value. And this is about 6.5 times bigger over initial risk. Then we gave another buy trade idea right here, and then another, I think, one here. So we had like a 2 or 3 trades in the USD Japanese yen, and basically they all managed to go for our upside objectives. It was another mega winner, and this happened like a few weeks ago. So those are just some of the big rewards, but US 100 is probably the biggest reward in terms of risk reward. We also had a gold, which is also 6-7 times bigger versus initial risk. USD yen, we had many. If you check our FXC TV, we captured many big winners. So feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel in order to be alerted about potential next winner. And that'll be all for this recap, basically, of some of our. We had many actually 3 to 5 times bigger versus initial risk, but I took some of more than that went more than 5 times, so like 6 times, 12 times, 15 times bigger versus initial risk. Thank you all for watching, and see you on our YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe.